So hey guys, in this video tutorial I'm going to show you how you can overlay a picture on a video in Capcut. So the first thing you need to do is you need to download the picture. You need to put it over the video which you would like to overlay to. So you have the video underneath and you have the picture over the video. And now with this cursor you need to go to the specific space you would like to edit the clip to, because if you, for example, if I am here, it doesn't matter that I clicked here, it's not gonna show the specific clip which I would like to edit. So you need to go there with the cursor. Okay, so now we have the video underneath, and basically what you need to do is you just need to click on the picture, and then just by dragging the corners you can change the size of the picture and you can put it anywhere on the clip. And also what you can do is you can use a mask if you think it looks kind of interesting this way, because it's the whole picture. But you can go to mask and you need to click on add mask, and then if you, for example, choose a circle, then as you can see now the picture is gonna have a circle format, or you can choose any of these. And now if you would like these two clips to merge together, so to be one clip, not two separate things, like you want the picture to be part of the video, you just need to highlight the items and just use the Alt and G combination, and now it's not a separate picture, it's merged into the video. Alright, so all in all, this is how to overlay a picture on a video in Capcut. I hope you found this tutorial useful. If you want to get access to all premium Capcut features, you can try out Capcut Pro for 7 days for free by clicking the link in the description below. Also, check out our Capcut Video Editing for Beginners ebook that you can also download for free. And last but not least, have a look at our other video editing tutorials, resources and reels in the video description as well.